Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. My name is Mo Friday. In this video, I'm going to be showing you one simple trading strategy I think will be a blessing to you. So this video will be in two parts. Okay, I'll be using the crypto pair and I'm using the forex pair. So I will start with the forex pair. So if you are watching this video in my YouTube, in my crypto channel, please just fast forward it to where I started talking about the crypto pair, which is XRP. So, but I'm going to start right now with the forex pair, which is odd USD. So I'm going to share my screen right now to explain what I'm talking about here. So now I'm sharing my screen right now. I believe you can see my screen. Okay, yeah, cool. Now look at what I have here. So I'm going to show you how to trade on a longer time frame. All right. So I'm going to be using one month. I'm going to start with 1 month to analyze this market. This odd USD. All right, this odd USD, guys. So that's Australian USD. So now if you look at this market very well, look at the current chart, all right. Like current chart, you can see that this candle obviously is a bear market, right? The last one that went up here was this from 1st of August, right? These markets went all the way up August. So from September, it started coming down. This market will definitely come down, of course, to this very point. But let's go down. So we have established that this is a bear market, right? So our market duration is a bear market, right? So all right, so with that in mind, so let's go to 1 week. So let's establish that. So we can also confirm that also this is a bear market. All right, this happened in July and July. So it's from August it started going up and going up. Then from September it started coming down. So this to tell you that this is a bear market. Also another confirmation from a weekly time frame. So this is also coming down too as well, right? So now let's go to 1 day. So we're going to be looking for our entry from 1 day. Yes, 1 day, very important. Now I have a trade already running on this pair. I actually entered that trade at this very point here. I entered that trade here. Yeah, in my forex account, I entered that trade from this very point, right? So I entered it from here, right? So right now, if you observe very, very well, there's a it has if I'm still holding the trade, I open about 5 positions. I open from here about 3 positions. I open another one here about 2 also. So but I've closed this one here, but I've left the upper other one. So now with that being said, so now look at what's happening here. So if you look at this market very, very well, you realize that there's a form of pullback. Now that pullback, so this pullback, I'm still going to leave the upper one. That's why I closed this other one there. So I'm waiting for a pullback. It's called 50% Fibonacci retracement. Where market is going down, all right, market will not just keep falling down. All right, this market will have to come down to this very point. Yeah. Market will have to come down to this very point before any possible reversal to the upside. All right, please follow me. So I haven't noticed that this is a downtrend. Right, you want to enter it on time, but if you cannot enter it on time, let's say you are seeing it as this very point. So you need to check your retracement. So market will they will call 50% Fibonacci retracement. So let's look at it. So this is the high of the market. This is the low. All right. You can see I've set my Fibonacci chart to be 50 here. So this point 0.5 here means 50. So I can show you the settings so that you can set your. So but however, you can see that it's currently at the what? At the 50% Fibonacci from the previous low to the previous high. You can see if you trade that out, this is your 50%. That is why you see that this market is started reversing. So I will wait for this reversal. Now they will call premium and discount zone. All right. Now in terms of in the light of this market right now, this place here is discount. If you buy at this point and you're taking a sell, if you buy at this zone, you are still on what on discount because it's the 50%. All right. So this other part, if you buy here, you're buying at premium. So if you are taking a sell position, so which is not advisable. So at this point, you can see enter this market for a possible sell. All right. So, but right now, I'm going to wait for this pullback. One probably it pulls back to this. All right. Okay. Sorry about that. Now I'm gonna wait for this pullback to happen. This pullback probably pulls back up to this very point here. This very point here. All right. If you pull back to this point, then I will enter a sell. All right. Sorry about that. So if it pulls back up to this point, I will enter a sell. All right. If it pull back to this point, we'll enter a sell again with anticipation of is coming fully down to 100% Fibonacci retracement. So this is one way to trade, guys. This is one way to trade that you'll be very glad following this strategy. Trading on the higher time frame is more safer than trading on the lower time frame, unless you're very skilled at what you are doing. All right. So, but if you're a busy type, you have, even if you're not busy type, you want to preserve your capital, you have lost money in the past trading and you want to be conservative. So just follow this approach and you always be in profit. Right now, if you can enter it, but wait for it to go back up a bit. All right. Then once it go up to this very price, 0.66890, you cannot enter it for a sell because you are seeing the discount zone. All right. So with that in mind, so let me go to the so I would have stopped here, but I really want others to benefit. All right. So this for Forex, I'll upload this part of the video into my Forex account, my Forex channel. So, but let me just go straight to the crypto guys anyway. So, all right. Now look at this very asset. This is SRP. SRP is one of my favorite coin. I've been trading SRP for a long time, so I rather stick to. I don't trade so many pairs like that. All these new coins that come out, I really don't trade them. I can only analyze and give it out as signal to my signal group. All right, for those person that paid me for that service. So, but personally, I trade only SRP and Bitcoin. All right. So now, if you look at this coin very well, let's go to one more as we did with the Forex pair. All right, so I think I should stop this video so it doesn't get too long and just continue with the Forex. What do you guys, what should I do? Rather I stop and continue for Forex market, for crypto market, but let's just see. So others can benefit anyway, so it's fine. You see the same concept anyway. If you're whether you're trading forex or crypto, you see the same and concept to analyze the market. So nothing really different. So let me just use it as a case study anyway. So because of the peculiarity with cryptocurrency, so you might not have so much data to back test your whatever you're doing right now. So but let's just use this anyway. So you can see obviously with this crypto, this look at this very one here. This month, same July, it went up as a bull market. So the bear market started coming down from August 1st. It maintained that it came down to this point. There was a spike here. So if you have placed probably your orders there, if you are trading grid trading, would have made a lot of money here, right? So but it spiked down and it went up and it closed as a bear market. So it opened another one below that candle to confirm the bear trend is really strong. So you can see this is September, it's still on a bear trend. So now this likely will be a sell market. So you want to come down to your one day, let's take 1 week to confirm what we just said. Of course, obviously, you can see this, see that, and see that still coming down. But let's go to 1 day time frame. So this is where we're going to pick our entry, guys. So we're going to pick your entry. Yes. Now, if you are trading crypto, maybe you are trading spot or futures, all right? I will recommend spot if you want to be conservative, all right? I recommend spot. But if you're an aggressive trader, man, you can stick to the futures. Futures, I would recommend maximum 5x leverage. For me, when I trade futures, I do 2x leverage. All right. So I'm thinking long term. I'm not looking for big gain. Thinking long term because that's the only way you can preserve your capital and still remain in the business trading. Right. I'm not saying you cannot trade higher leverage. All right. So we are trying to show you guys how to trade consistently. You can trade higher leverage and make a quick gain. Most likely, you're still going to trade the higher leverage and also make a huge loss. So, I mean, which do you prefer? To be making it small, little by little for a longer period than to make it once, then you bleed all over again. So, experience will always teach you to be very conservative anyway, but anyone can trade the way he or she likes anyway. All right, so now you can see where we are right now. So, if you are trading futures right now, so you want to enter the market for a short, trust me, guys. Now, there are so many, this is a 1 day time frame. So this can either move down to this point, before finally going up. Or these are liquidity points. These are liquidity points also that market might likely want to clear down. And this form, like if a kind of shape anyway that will also be useful. So I will say this is a sell market. When you enter sell, maybe in the month of October. I'm recording this video in the month of September 11th, 2024. So by the month of October, maybe they might explain bull run. But right now, this is going to be a sell market. This market will likely sell. Let me look at if you're entering at this point. So let's look at the Fibonacci retracement also, as I did with the other one. So now look at this trend. Look at this trend. From here to here, this was the previous low anyway. So let's look at our Fibonacci retracement. Let's see how that applies here. So let's look at it from here. Look at it. So let me look at it here. So this was the 50%. All right, this was the 50%. Yeah. So if you're entering sell at this point, you are on a discount, but if you're entering sell at this point, you are on a premium. So, but because of market trend that you've analyzed, so it still hasn't gotten to the 100%. Yeah. It hasn't got, so that's why I say it's gonna come that year before it starts going up. So you can enter a sell down to this point, or you can choose to enter a buy also and do your dollar cost average if it goes down and you follow it up. So whichever way you want to use, but just understand the whole concept, guys. That is what is most important when you trade. You understand how to use your tool. So I will say I'm going to show you how to set yours. I think I've set mine. This is the settings. I set my look at how I set mine. The first one there is 0. I close others. The second one there is 0.5. That is the 50%. Then the other one there is 1. So you can input 0 to 100 and here 50. So this is how I set mine. So I close every other part so that you can only show me what I want to see, which is 0, 0.5, which is 50%, and 1. So 0 and 1. So depends. All right, so I think that'll be all for now. That'll be all for now. All right, so if you need further explanation, further question, please you can always send me a DM my channel, my WhatsApp number. What? I'm coming, yeah. So that'll be all for now. Thank you. My name is Mo Fridays. Until I see you again in the next video. Thank you and have a productive day.